Okay, so we've just come back from a test dive. Now, I hired one of the harbour workboats, and it's cost me an awful lot of money to do this test, but to me it's been absolutely worthwhile. We managed to get the boat to a depth of 43 metres in total. I think perhaps actually a little bit more, but I didn't do very much explaining as what I was doing on the boat. I was just too busy, so I'll just have to put some video up, and I'll show you the results at the end, but it's all good. Depth are we here, John?
When you went before,
there it is there, look.
Yeah, I got the life mechanic to go down and see
okay.
it, and he did filters and all that with it. weigh its full weight than
Yeah.
sub 2.5
So
tons.
if you see that cable going taut, you know, it's a problem.
We're out as well, it starts to bag and drag it across.
It's like a live animal. It's like a live animal.
Just going to ask if we just pull alongside, just got a couple of bits to offload. Is it alright if you stay there and we come alongside?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, you're going to leave the toy on the deck, will you?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. Cheers, Richard. Is the air and water coming out that variable tank in the middle? Yeah.
Right, so we just got back and this is just after, I'm just going to, hopefully this should be, yeah, so we're still pressurised or depressurised inside. Right, so the only thing that I've found is there's just a tiny little bit of water here, so it's just been a little weep, I think, from this window. But there's nothing down on the floor, so it wasn't a lot, or there's been a little bit on this concrete block. Gauge says we got to 43 metres, so I'm pretty happy with that. Right, just got a feeling that there might be a little weep here somewhere as well. I haven't got the stand for the camera, so I'm just going to try and hold it. I don't know whether there's anything under in there. Yeah, see, there's a little bit, not a lot, but there's definitely some sort of weep on that valve. Not the end of the world. I'll just sort that out, probably because I took it to bits. And while I'm here, I'm just going to test both battery banks, but I'm just going to test the motors. There's that stupid noise. So motors are all good. Okay. Okay, so we've got back 43 metres. Everything's in a bit of a mess at the moment, but really pleased, really good day. Just got to wait for everything to dry out and then we can get on with another dive.